Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must use the Outlook desktop client because the web interface limits body search. Start by clicking the search box at the top of your message list. Once done, choose the Search tab or Search Tools and open Advanced Find. Make sure to set the correct scope, current mailbox, all mailboxes, or a specific folder, so results include the messages you intend. You're starting with the exact area to search. This prevents time wasted scanning unrelated folders and ensures body content will be included. Now focus on the precise criteria. Open Advanced Find's Advanced or More Choices tab and pick Field, then Message Fields, then Body. Enter an exact phrase when you need exact matches, or type multiple keywords separated by spaces for broader hits. Use and to require both words or to allow either and quotes for an exact phrase. This controls precision. Once you configure these fields, run the search so Outlook scans message bodies instead of only headers or subjects, which is why results suddenly become relevant. Finish by refining results and resolving issues. Add filters like date range, sender, or attachment to narrow hits and save the query as a search folder if you'll reuse it. If you get no body matches, make sure Windows indexing includes your PSD/OSD. Open indexing options and rebuild the index. This makes Outlook read message bodies again. If rebuilding doesn't help, update or repair Office and restart Outlook. That often restores proper search behavior when indexing or program files are corrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.